Frank Gardner, Automotive Program Supervisor. I've been working on cars since I was in my teenage years. I've been doing it professionally for about 25 years. I grew up around cars. I love working on them. I've always enjoyed fixing them and just being around them. I've been with IntelliTec for 8 years now, 5 years as an instructor, 3 years as a program supervisor. What I enjoy most about being here is watching the students when they accomplish something. You can see that sense of accomplishment in their face and watch their eyes light up. They'll come in after the weekend and tell me about something that they fixed on their own at home and how they enjoyed doing it. Working on and fixing cars has always given me a sense of accomplishment, especially when you can give someone's car back, you know it's trustworthy, you know it's fixed and ready to go. Also in this industry, there's a huge demand for technicians right now. In this region alone, the next year and a half to 2 years, they're projecting approximately 2,000 to 2,500 technicians short to fill all the positions. So there's tons of opportunity right now, and you get a great sense of accomplishment out of what you do.